Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this tutorial we'll see how we can create a song with a ringtone of our name. So how to create and download and how to set to a particular person. For example, if you want to have a different unique ringtone to a special person or your friend with their name, so you can do that. We can do that in 3 simple steps. I'll show you. First of all, open your browser and click on this and click on request desktop site. Okay, just visit google.com and search this exact keyword, make ringtone of my name with song. Make ringtone of my name with song. See here, make ringtone of my name with song, and you will be able to get to this website, prokerala.com/download/name ringtones. I'll drop this link in the description. If you want, you can go click on that website and click on create your name with ringtone and give the name of that person with which you want the song. For example, Rahul, please pick the call. And this is someone you have a call, you just received a text. Okay, please pick the call will be better. And you have the alarm tone, iPhone ringtone. For example, I'll use this one and make a ringtone. So preparing mp3, we need to download this mp3. Okay, downloading file. Okay, the file is downloaded. Go to your download folder of your phone, and this is Rahul, and just copy this. Click on these 3 dots and copy, and select this and click on copy. And what all you need to do is you need to paste it in the folder called ringtones. Where is this ringtones? Find a folder name ringtones and paste it there. Here ringtones, and here you can paste it there. So I have Rahul here. So open your contacts application, your phone contacts, and choose the contacts what you want to set this special ringtone. For example, this is Rahul. Click on that and click on 3 dots. No, you need to click on this pencil symbol to edit the contact, and click on more and click on ringtone. So click on ringtone and click on Rahul.
Rahul, please pick up the call.
So I have set a special ringtone for only this particular contact. So if anyone other than this contact calls, my normal ringtone will be played, but if this person calls, I will get the notification sound or the alert sound as Rahul, please pick up the call, as I have created the song with name, downloaded and pasted in the ringtone folder and assigned this song to this particular contact. I hope this tutorial will be helpful to you, and not only for you, please do share it to your family and friends in the WhatsApp groups or whatever the social media you use, so that it will be useful for all of them. I hope you like this, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.